Assalamu alaikum, Halal Wealth Warriors. It's October 14th, 2025, and if you're grinding that 9-5, staring at £100 in your wallet thinking, how do I flip this halal without the haram hustle? I've got your blueprint. Back in April 2024, post-Ramadan slump, my main gig paid £3, $200 a month, but bills at 62%. £1,984 gone, left with £1,216, but dreams bigger. Hajj fund at £5,000 by year end. That £100? Burning a hole, whispering sadaqah or stagnate? One dua later, ya Allah barakah in small steps. 6 months on, that £100 snowballed to £500 profit. Pure halal, no riba apps, just smart math. In the next 7 minutes, my exact story. £20 startup costs, 25% margins, 3x customer growth. If you're nodding, smash like now. Let's turn pennies to purpose. Step 1. Audit the obvious. My neighborhood, diverse Muslims, iftar crowds swelling 40% post-Ramadan per local masjid stats. Pain point, quick halal snacks. Market gap, 72% of UK Muslims seek Sharia-certified street food, but options? Slim per 2024 IFG report. Story time. Friday after Jumu'ah, I chat with brother Ahmed, cabbie £28k/year. Ibrahim, £5 on samosas weekly, £260/year wasted if homemade. Lightbulb, my hack, home-based halal baking. Startup, £100 budget. Breakdown, £40 flour, spices, bulk from ethnic shop, 30% cheaper, £30 packaging, eco bags reusable, £20 marketing, free WhatsApp group plus £10 flyers, £10 MSC, zero debt, bootstrapped from tea money jar. Numbers launch, first batch, 50 samosas at £1 cost each. Sell at £2.50, 150% markup. No, 25% net after time. 2 hours at £10/hour opportunity cost. Week 1, sold 30 units. Revenue £75, cost £30 plus £20. Labor = £50 profit. Weight, £75. £50 = £25. Tiny, but 25% ROI on £100. Track it. App like Muslim Pro's Finance tab, log daily. By week 4, consistent £40/week, up 60% from tweaks like spice polls in group. Engagement spiked 3x. Brothers, your £100 spark. List 3 pains in your circle. Solve 1, compound starts. Month 2 hits, stagnation alert. £100 in, £150 out total. Growth flat at 1.2% weekly? Nope. Pivot, tweak 1. Widai. Diversify menu, added date bites, cost £0. 50 unit, sell £1.50, 200% margin. Sales jump, 20% more customers per group polls. Tweak 2. Leverage barakah networks, joined local Muslim entrepreneurs. WhatsApp, 500 members. Shared story, £25 week 1 to £48. Your tips, replies. Flood 15%, suggested pop-up at masjid events. Free spot 4x footfall. Week 6, £120 revenue, cost £72. Scale economies dropped, unit cost 15% to 85p. Profit £48. Tweak 3, reinvest 50% profits, £24 back in. £10 better oven mitts, cut waste 10%. £14 targeted Insta ads, £0. 50 click, 28 clicks = 8 sales. Boom, customer base from 12 to 36 weekly, 200% growth. By month 3, £200/week revenue. Total invested now £150, original plus reinvest. Cumulative profit £320, ROI 213%. Real ripple, Sister Noor viewer DM. Started with £50 on hijab flips, £120 in 2 months. Your numbers made it real. Noor, that's the multiplier. 50% reinvest rule turns £100 to £300 in 90 days at 20% weekly growth. Month 6, peak. £350/week revenue, 62 customers, £225 profit after £125 costs, ingredients down 22% via supplier bulk. Total flip, £100 seed to £500 net after £100 recoup. 500% return. Zakat on it, £12.50. Went to local food bank, barakah loop closed, but the real win. Time freedom, 4 hours, week max, £900/month side income, funded £200 Hajj savings, stats seal it, 2025 Muslim Business UK report. Side hustles like this average 18% annual growth for 68% of starters. Yours? Start with £100 audit today. Quick calc, your £100 at 25% margins, 20% weekly growth. Month 6, £520. Adjust for your niche. Bam. Fam, that's the £100 to £500 sprint. Numbers near no nonsense. From Kitchen Spark to Barakah Bank. Download my free Halal Flip checklist below. Plug your £100, project your profit, comment your side hustle seed amount. Like if you're flipping tomorrow, sub for more quick wins, share with a brother needing momentum. Allah ease your risk. Wa alaikum assalam.